I'm Igbo. Of course, I'm going to be successful anywhere I find myself around the world.
Yeah.
I'm Igbo. Of course, I grew up with extra family members, aka Nwa boy.
I'm Igbo. Of course, when we go to our mom's friend's house, we can't eat anything.
I'm Igbo. Of course, the woman will be claiming rights over me on my wedding day, whereas they don't know nothing about me.
Yeah.
I'm Igbo. Of course your men want us because we throw down in the kitchen.
Come on now, period. I'm Igbo. Of course your women want our men because they are handsome and spenders.
I'm Igbo. Of course, when we go for parties, you can identify us because our parents have us wearing matching outfits.
Yeah. I'm an Igbo. Of course, all our Igbo name starts with Chi and Chu. Yes. Oh, see?
I'm Igbo. Of course, when it comes to money, I'm gonna multitask. Hello? Container Batago? Bashupu, Diego, Ha! They're going to want me feel like their side.
I'm Igbo. Of course my bride price is going to be expensive because you get value for your money.
And that's period.
I'm Igbo. Of course you can never outshine the bride on her traditional wedding day.
Period.
I'm Igbo. Of course, every Sunday we're gonna make rice and no faku.
I'm Igbo. Of course, when a visitor gives me money, my mom always said, let me hold it. Hey, Jesus. Chimo. I'll never see my mommy again. Please, God.
I'm Igbo. Of course, my parents forced me to be a nurse. Kida Fuzo, in Anife.
I'm Igbo. Of course we're the best tribe. I beg, argue with the ancestors.